Hey guys, Zoob here. I wanted to let you know about what I think is a pretty good deal, probably, that I found at Harbor Freight. What is it? Let's see. They just have drop point tactical, so Challenger, I guess. Sorry, reading through the camera, and I already don't see well. But as you can see, it's 8Cr13Mov. And the handle material is G10. So I want to go ahead and open this. I paid about $5 or $6 for it. Well, like Cutlery Lover says, you need knives to open your knives, right? So this is the same set of materials, but I paid probably, this is a Kershaw Emerson. I probably paid between $25 and $26, or $25 and $30 probably. I paid $26 for the trainer version, between $25 and $30 for that one. So basically, I'm paying 5 times as much, and you know, I do like the Kershaw Emerson better. That's not really a question. But I'm gonna go ahead and try this one out. Sorry, I'm really clumsy around the camera. Okay, so the thumb stud works well. The ergos are nice, although this texture is very aggressive. It's, you know, it's not the most aggressive texture I've felt. I'm sorry, I'm terrible at flippers, but I don't know that I'm going to be able to get that. Yeah, I can, with some practice, I could probably get it open. It comes well oiled, very easy to use the thumb stud. I am the wrong person to check for flippers. It is half serrated, and I'm not normally a fan of that. And as you can see, the serrations there, you're going to need a pretty thin stone. The corners of a sharp maker would do it. There's some wider serrations you should be able to sharpen, but as far as the edge out of box, we will try a Harbor Freight catalog, because that's what I happen to have, and that's also where I got this. I paid, like I said, between $5 and $6. It was on sale. I don't know what it was. Oh, nice. That's actually very sharp, very easy. Let's try the serrations. Yeah, so this thing, oh, okay. Apparently that transition where it goes from if you get it in that last serration, the transition's a little rough. But if you start up here, oh, that's me cutting around the camera. We'll see if I can actually do this or not. Yeah, so anyway, it is pretty sharp. And I will carry this around the rest of the day and see kind of what I think about it. Let's get a close-up of that here, and you'll see it comes tip down. Can't stand for that, but it is a 4-way reversible pocket clip, so I'll reverse it, and then we'll see how it goes. Anyway, there it is with chisel ground serrations, V-ground edge, and an unsharpened swedge up there on the top. So anyway, the jimping on the back seems functional. It's good. But yeah, I'll get back with you when I've had some time to test it. Use it in a few days. So I hope you enjoyed that first look. And yeah, I totally recommend going out and nabbing one of these. Unless they really messed up something on the heat treat or something, this seems like a steal. So anyway, that's it. Hope you enjoyed it. And I will see you hopefully pretty soon with another video. Thanks. Goodbye.